I have literally told you all about the importance of having a portfolio in freelancing about hundreds of times in my earlier videos. But how do we even create a great portfolio so that we can convert a potential client into a client? So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to create a killer portfolio. And in the end of the video, I will also be showing my own portfolio which I used as a freelancer. So stick to the end of the video, and without further ado, let's roll the intro. So portfolio is a collection of your best works, experiences and skills which you have and have done. So on the basis of that, someone can judge your potential and capabilities. So if you are considering to start freelancing, or even if you have started freelancing and haven't got a portfolio, then you should consider to have a great portfolio. So now, as we talked about what is a portfolio, let's talk about how to create a portfolio. For creating a portfolio, three things are important to have for oneself. First, skills. Second, past work or experience. And the third, how you will benefit a client. So let's talk about these terms one by one. First, skills. Skills is the first part of starting as a freelancer, but there are so many people doing the same mistakes and don't even realizing the mistake. The mistake being, how many people of you all does know about web development, web designing or blog post writing? I bet every person who is watching this video knows about this type of niches which is available in the freelancing market. But what if I say about package designing or business analyst? I bet 90% of people who are watching this video don't even know about these type of niches which exist as a freelancer. The thing is, many people don't even know about these type of niches which have less competition and rat race to the big end niches. I'm not saying you can't succeed with this type of niches, but I'm saying that you should know about these type of niches too which has less competition. So in portfolio too, you should write about those skill sets which are in very demand and have less competition. Past works or experiences. Now this is a tricky one. For many people who are starting as a freelancer don't have any type of past experiences or past work to showcase. So what you can do is that you can hypothetically suppose that you have been given a work by your client and you can do that on your own and attach it in your own portfolio. For me too, when I was starting as a freelance web developer, I didn't have any past works to showcase. So what I did is that I copied paste renowned websites like Apple, Google, Instagram or any other websites and attached it in my portfolio so that the clients have something to judge my work. So yeah, this is how you can showcase your works even if you don't have any past experiences of work. And if you have any past experiences of work, it's just cherry on the top. Third, how you will benefit the client. This is the most important thing you can have into a portfolio. Like if you have a potential client, then your main focus should be to how to convert that potential client into your client. And for doing that, you can take a look at different people's successful portfolios and take inspiration from them. Like for myself, I am a developer, not designer. And for making my portfolio as a website, I had to take inspiration from many people. And you can do that too. And talking about that, let's talk about types of portfolios. It really depends on you how you want to make your portfolio, like in a website form or a PDF form. But from my perspective, you should make a portfolio in a form your niche depends. Like if you are a video editor, then you can make a video about your portfolio, or if you are a developer like me, then you can make a website showcasing all your skills and experiences. It doesn't matter how you make your portfolio until and unless you are converting your potential clients into a regular client. Given that, let me take you all to my own portfolio which I use as a freelance web developer to get clients. Now as you all can see, it is my portfolio in the website form as I am a web developer, and I have 5 options like home, about, services, work and contact. And when you go to the about section or you just scroll down, you get to know about me, like my name, email address and profile, and the skills which I have like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, WordPress, typing, and I have so much skills to offer. Okay, so when you just scroll down, you get to know about the services which I offer like front-end development, PhD to HTML and the reviewing web apps. And as you all can see, the PhD to HTML is a sub niche to the front-end development, but I just mentioned it because there are so many clients out there who just want that particular niche, so it's just simple to all them. Now as you scroll down, you get to know about the projects which I have done, and if you just look closely, there are projects like google.com, amazon.com, apple.com which I earlier mentioned. Like when I was building this portfolio, I didn't have that much of works to showcase, so I just created google.com and amazon.com and just filled it in the portfolio. You all can do it too if you are like beginning. Now when you scroll down, you get to know about the get in touch section where I have the Facebook link, LinkedIn link and the Instagram link and the email and the every other thing, basically every other thing for which someone has to do to contact me. So that was a quick glimpse of my portfolio which I used as a freelance web developer. And if you want to know more about this, then I'll be linking down its PDF form in the description box. And I hope you have liked the video, and if you have, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, because it gives a lot of confidence for making out these videos regularly. And if you have any thoughts, questions or comments, then you can comment them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them all and to answer them. Until then, I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.